Hello, new friends. Make sure you switch your members. That's the thing. I remember when I was in school, I used to get in trouble when I used to yawn in class. I'm just like, I can't help yawning. Like, it's not like I can consciously just stop myself from yawning, you know. It's not that the lecture or like the class is any boring. It's just that I just can't stop yawning. It wasn't like elementary school. My teacher was like, Ina, why are you yawning so much? Are you like doing it on purpose? Because my class is boring? I'm just like, no. I'm just yawning. I just can't help. Yeah. Anyways, hello, welcome.